For 2 centuries, we've powered our world by burning things: coal, oil, and gas. They built our civilization, but they're finite and they're dirty. We are now in the middle of an energy revolution, a switch to sources that will never run out: the sun, the wind, and the water. Let's start with the sun. Earth gets enough solar energy in 1 hour to power humanity for an entire year. The trick is catching it. Photovoltaic panels do this with silicon crystals. When sunlight hits them, it knocks electrons loose, creating a direct electric current. No noise, no pollution. Wind and hydro are even simpler. They just spin something. Whether it's moving air or falling water, the motion turns a blade, which spins a magnet inside a coil of wire. That's a generator. But here's the biggest hurdle: storage. What happens when the sun sets or the wind dies down? This is the central engineering challenge of our time. We're building massive lithium-ion batteries, like giant versions of the one in your phone, to save daytime power for the night. An even cooler solution is a water battery. When we have extra solar power, we use it to pump water back up a dam. When we need that power later, we just let it flow back down, spinning a turbine all over again. Of course, the cleanest energy is the energy you never use. This is where efficiency becomes our hidden fuel. An electric car converts about 90% of its battery energy into motion. A gas car? It wastes 80% of its fuel as heat. This transition is the single biggest engineering project in human history, building a smarter, cleaner world, piece by piece.